Hi friends, in this video you will learn about diphthongs. What is diphthong? What are their symbols? And what are the sounds having different diphthongs? Diphthong word actually ग्रीक ज़बान से माखूज है जिसका मतलब है two sounds, दो आवाज़ें. Diphthongs are two vowels that, when placed together, generate one sound. Diphthongs actually two vowel sounds हैं जो पहली diphthong की तरफ चलते हैं. I सिंबल पे फोकस करें. A और I, my, cry, like, light, mine, nine. इन सब में देखा जाए तो I साउंड है. नेक्स्ट साउंड है A, day, lay, eight, break. नेक्स्ट है ओए, O और I, ओए, boy, toy, coy. The next diphthong is ear, fear, gear. So next है U और A, ua, tour, your, floor. अगली diphthong है A और U, owl, or, house. So next is a, E और A, tear, pear, hair. अगली साउंड है औ, go, slow, long. Next is a, E और A, tear, pear, hair. I hope you enjoyed it. So at the end, I would like you to subscribe my channel and share it with others.